At Club Crystal VIP, standing talking to
Young Solo and the Baby Kids. You did.
Baby Kids representing, baby.
Oh.
your name.
Kid Cam.
Your name?
Yeah, my name Bo Handsome.
Y'all want to get any shouts out to anybody?
No, ma'am.
I want to give a shout out to the SIP, Mississippi, I see you. Baby Kids, LOL Jeans coming out soon. Y'all look forward to seeing us a lot. Got my boy Lil Yogi from ATL, came all the way down here to mess with us. Shout out to Mark Anderson, I see you. Ing, I see you. Everybody, I see you.
Shout out to that whole Beaumont, Texas, baby. We love y'all. We representing all this just for y'all, man. LOL Jeans all day.
LOL.
Y'all tell us how to get in touch with y'all.
You can look us up on MySpace, just type in Young Solo in the search box. You know what I'm saying? I could give you the link because I don't know it, but I'm the only one, so you gonna find me.
All right, y'all want to say anything?
No, well.
Oh yeah, shout out to Marshall Middle School. My Twitter coming out soon.
Oh yeah, and my little brother got a website coming out, my Twitter. Y'all look for that. You know what I'm saying? It's MySpace, YouTube, and Twitter all together. Y'all look for that. You know what I'm saying? We taking over.
Y'all tell us some things that y'all working on. What y'all doing right now?
Like I said, what it is? My Twitter. You know what I'm saying? Young creation, young mind. Got an album coming out. I am he his music. Without him is no music. You know what I'm saying? Mixtape, album coming out. Got a show on the 3rd at PV on Hump Day, you know what I'm saying? So y'all look out for that.
And we also, y'all want to look out for them LOL Jeans coming soon, LOL Fashion period. LOL Entertainment coming soon,
and
real quick, coming fast at you.
My artist right here, Lil Yogi, so y'all look out for him, man, because we taking over. Soon, get at us.
All day, baby.
All right, well, thank y'all for coming out. PKP Productions.
BMT, baby.